So, hi dear Gemini, very good evening to you guys. This is a mid-monthly reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the rest of the month of January 2025. Okay, this is not a love reading or career reading or anything specific. Whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Want to be a reader like me? Purchase my course. Link is in the description box. Want to have personal readings or one-on-one healing sessions? You can book your slots accordingly. Everything is given in the description box and box and self-love ebook for Ho'oponopono masterclass. You can check out the links. Okay, everything is there in the description box, honey. So let's start Gemini. Overall energy for Gemini people for the rest of the month of January 2025 is, let's see. We have the Four of Swords. Major healing is going to be your overall energy. You are no longer going to be in this energy of running behind something or someone. You will be in the detachment mode. You will be in the healing mode and taking your time kind of mode. Okay, that's really cool. Let's see in the recent past what was happening. Knight of Pentacles. You were feeling stuck in a particular situation in your life, especially if it was related to your financial area or something related to your stability, and you were kind of feeling stuck in that direction or everything was getting delayed maybe. Currently we have the Eight of Pentacles. You are putting all of your effort and energy in creating something that you really feel is something that you should work on or put in the effort and energy in. Okay, by the end of this month we have the Three of Cups. Okay, coming together or coming back together and celebrating something. Very good. Let's clarify these cards one by one. Let's clarify the recent past for you guys, Gemini. What was happening? We have the Magician, the Two of Wands, and the Justice. You were manifesting this energy of justice, balance in certain area of your life, but you were feeling stuck at the same time. But because you were feeling stuck, you were waiting for the time when you are going to get the justice, when everything is going to be balanced, when everything is going to be sorted in a certain area of your life. Okay, cool. Now, currently, you are putting in the effort and energy as much as you can from your side in order to make something work out or in order to create something beautiful. Let's clarify this Eight of Pentacles here. We have the Page of Swords, the Knight of Cups, the World card. So there's a sense of detachment from something or someone. You no longer are in this energy of, again, running behind something or someone. You're detaching, you're watching for somebody from a distance, meanwhile working on your goals, working on something that you really feel is something that's going to work out in your favor in the coming future. Maybe this is a relationship ending or connection ending, maybe with a friend, maybe with a colleague, maybe a job ending, maybe there's a spiritual awakening kind of a deal, but you're kind of detaching yourself from the idea of going towards something or someone and working on yourself for the time being, putting in the effort and energy in yourself as much as you can, being a learner, being a student. By the end of this month we have the Three of Cups. Let's clarify the Three of Cups here. We have the Queen of Cups and the Fool card and the Six of Wands. So the more you are going to have this self-love, self-care, self-healing kind of energy, the more universe is going to bless you with opportunities, with collaborations, with partnerships that's going to lead to major success and victory in the coming future. Okay, it's all about you coming back to yourself, taking care of yourself, learning self-love, self-care, self-healing, and you're going to have a breakthrough in certain area of your life. People are going to connect with you, people are going to attach with you magically, organically. It is all going to start within yourself, and then it's going to come to the 3D where you're going to have a major breakthrough and success as victory is going to be there in your life. It's like you are going to feel like a mini celebrity in the coming future, Gemini. Very beautiful energy. Some kind of success and victory is coming in, and that's going to attract a lot of potential collaborators or partners or reasons to celebrate kind of energy for you guys in the coming future. For you, the guidance here is the Six of Wands as well. So right now you should be the center of attention of your own world. You should be like your own lover. You should be the one providing everything to yourself so that you can get the success and victory within yourself the way you want it. Then in the 3D world as well, it's going to be possible very easily and organically. Yeah, cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.